All right, we got my PC components here. Got the LIAN 205 tempered glass as my case. Got the power supply of EVGA 750 watt gold. Got my RAM G.SKILL RIP DDR4. I think I'm going to return it though to get a faster megahertz speed, because right now it's at 26666. I want a 3200. And then I got the AORUS Elite Wi-Fi X50 motherboard. And then the CPU, the powerful Ryzen 5 5600X. Got some fans here. Got the SSD drive from SanDisk M.2. And then I got the graphics card, the 3070 GEFORCE RTX from AORUS Master Edition. So, wish me luck.